Okay, now let's find out how can you use your own cloud server with your smartphone or your tablet. Both Android and iOS have their native clients for ownCloud, but I found them to be not as useful as they could be and as they should be. And moreover, they are not free applications, they are paid applications. So you may consider using your own cloud server through your mobile browser. Let's take a look at it. So to connect to your own cloud server via your mobile browser, you just go to the address of your web interface. You input your credentials and you find yourself inside the Files application. Files application is as much useful as the standalone application for iOS. You can upload files, you can download them, you can rename them, you can share files, and moreover you can use other applications such as Notes, Calendar, and so on. I found it that some of the functions are not very responsive or they tend to behave inappropriate in the mobile browser. But nevertheless, the native applications which are available in App Store are not very useful either. So as you can see, you can upload the photos or other files. You can switch to other applications. I found it convenient to access my own cloud server by creating the link on my home screen. I just share this page to my home screen, I name it ownCloud and save it. And just in one click, I can have my files available to me. We can also go to App Store, search for ownCloud, and here is the native ownCloud application. You can see that there's a number of functions that just mimic the functions in your mobile browser. According to the reviews which we have here, these functions also work not so well as they should be. There are a number of other applications such as ownCloud Notes, but as for now I don't find them very useful. If the situation changes in nearest future or I will come across some useful applications for ownCloud, I will surely leave the update in this course.